Hair growth can be achieved using amazing home remedies you can get at home. The first ingredients are going to be making use of is shea butter. Shea butter is known, you know shea butter, right? Shea butter can be used to prevent hair loss by moisturizing and strengthening hair follicles. Its high content of fatty acids and vitamin can repair and rebuild damaged hair. By moisturizing and strengthening the hair follicles, shea butter can prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. It's amazing ingredients you have to use. Then the second ingredients you're going to be using is Vaseline. Like shea butter, Vaseline also helps to moisturize hair. Remember that when hair is being moisturized, it will be hard for it to follow. So Vaseline helps to prevent hair loss and it helps to make hair to grow healthy. So after you have added these two, before adding the third ingredient, just get your hot water first. The need for hot water is to help dissolve the two ingredients before adding the third ingredient so that all the ingredients will be properly mixed together. So once you have gotten your hot water, the next thing you have to do is to dissolve these two ingredients inside this hot water to make it easy to be properly mixed together because we're making hair growth cream. So once you have finished dissolving these two ingredients, when it's properly dissolved, the next thing you have to do is to get your third ingredients. Get your third ingredients. The third ingredients you're going to be making use of is coffee. Add 2 teaspoons of coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which doesn't scrape the hair of oils. Rather, it can help your hair retain moisture and create natural shine. Coffee helps to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles and blocking the effects of a hormone that can damage hair. Coffee can turn gray hair to pure black. That is one of the importance of using coffee for your hair growth. So once you have finished mixing the three ingredients together, you have to keep it in a cool place, let it cool. After it's been cooled, you have to start using it on your hair as hair cream. This is pure hair cream that you can use on your hair. It can also help to cleanse the scalp and enhances hair color, like I said, from gray hair to black hair. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.